Most traders spend hours staring at their screens, cluttering their charts with 10 different indicators, only to end up with a headache and a losing trade. But here's the truth: the market is not as complicated as people make it out to be. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I find clean, highly profitable trendline setups in under 5 minutes, the exact same way institutional traders do. This method doesn't require any magic tools. It's all about understanding pure price action. Make sure to watch until the very end because we're going to simplify your trading once and for all. Step number one: when I open a chart, the very first thing I do is absolutely nothing. I don't draw any lines yet. The biggest mistake beginner traders make is picking up the Trendline tool immediately and trying to force a line onto the screen. Instead, you need to zoom out. You want to see the big picture, the overall market structure. Ask yourself, who is currently in control? Is the market making higher highs and higher lows? If so, we are in a strong bullish trend. Or are we seeing lower highs and lower lows, meaning the bears are driving the market down? At this stage, our only goal is to identify the direction of the institutional order flow. Once you know where the market wants to go, you've already won half the battle because you know whether you should only be looking for buys or only for sells. Now that we have our direction, it's time to map it out. Step number two: locate at least two major obvious swing points on the chart and connect them with a clean line. Write this golden rule down on a sticky note and put it on your monitor. Never force a trend line to fit the chart. If you have to slice through the bodies of your candles or completely ignore massive wicks just to make the line look pretty, then that trend line doesn't exist. It's just a figment of your imagination. The market only respects the levels that are screaming out naturally, levels that traders all over the world can see clearly. If it doesn't fit naturally, skip it and move to another pair. Step 3 brings us to our sweet spot, the third touch. The first 2 points are simply used to draw the line, but a trend line is only truly validated when price comes back to respect it for the third time. Why is the third touch so powerful? Let's look at the psychology behind it. On the first and the second touch, many traders are still skeptical, but when the price respects that exact same angle a third time, it creates a collective agreement among buyers and sellers. The banking algorithms and big players are looking at this exact same level. The third touch is your green light showing that this line has real power. So the price has returned to our trend line. Do we just blindly jump into the trade? Absolutely not. Step 4 is all about waiting for a clean sign of rejection. This trend line is our kill zone. And now we need to see how the buyers or sellers defend the trend line. What exactly are we looking for? We are looking for the alphabet of the candlesticks. A beautiful pin bar with a long wick showing that the market tried to break the line but got aggressively rejected. Or a powerful engulfing candle showing that the dominant players have stepped back in with massive volume. That candlestick is your final confirmation. It's your trigger. Before your finger even touches the entry button, you must know 2 things. Where does your stop loss go and where is your target? Risk management is not a joke. I always place my stop loss safely behind the rejection candle and below the trend line. My target goes straight to the previous major swing high or low. If the setup doesn't offer at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, I simply skip the trade. The market is full of opportunities. Never fall in love with a single trade. Now we walked through the entire process together. We zoomed out, drew a pristine trend line, and right now price is approaching that line again in real time. This is the exact setup we've been waiting for. Now it's your turn. Take a close look at this chart based on the rules we've just covered. What would you do right now? Buy, sell, or you just wait? Pause the video right now, comment your answer below before the chart plays out, and let's see who gets the analysis right. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.